Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, the 15th of February, and I'm finally going back to London. Today I'm watching Jane Act 1 at the Other Palace, in the studio at the Other Palace. But me and Mum are going to make a day trip out of it. We're going to the 4 p.m. performance today. So we're going, I don't know what time we're leaving. I don't even know what we're doing today. Yeah. Oh, I love how one side's really cold and the other side's really not. But yeah, I've been awake since 6. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning, like almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:52, so it's literally almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting ready for the day, I know. I used to get ready at this time actually. I've been awake since 6, so I woke up really early this morning. I could not, I've had to sit at like 10 as well, so which is not enough sleep, so I had 8 hours of sleep, but I need 9 hours of sleep a night to actually properly function, so I am not running on low sleep for myself, but it's fine. I'm not running on like low sleep, I'm just, Also, I fell over yesterday, and I really badly hurt my knees, and now my shoulder hurts, so it's going to be a fun day for that. So, yeah, right, I'm going to start doing my makeup. I'm going to do it on camera, because I feel like I don't know, I feel like I've been doing it a lot, but I don't want to do it all on camera. I'll just do this, and I'll do my eyeshadow, and then I'll do the rest off camera. But I thought I'd start vlogging here instead of start vlogging in bed early. I didn't make two transitions, so I was wearing my cardigan because TikTok is very much doesn't like seeing like stuff on camera, which is fair enough. So using a bit of serum, because it needs my makeup needs to last all day. It needs to literally last like until like, I want it to kind of last like 12 hours, but like 10 hours would be fine. No, because it's only at 1, it's only 1 hour and 5 minutes long, so it starts at 4 and ends up at 5:05. So, and it's in like workshop form, so they have scripts in hand and stuff. So it's going to be very fun. It's very exciting because it's a new musical as well. I'm very excited. My mum put this when I was having a sick day, like the Wednesday before, like the Wednesday before the vlog. And when I was off, because it came out like that, like on the Monday, I think, like of that week, and I thought about it, and I needed something to like make me feel better, and that was it. And now it's actually here. It's crazy. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so happy belated Valentine's Day, everybody. Also, we're getting the West Cast album next month, on the 14th, which is very exciting. I'm very happy. That's announced on Thursday. So yeah, been a very busy week with theatre news actually, to be fair. Like, loads of stuff in there, like the Hunchback of Notre Dame is coming to the West End. The Great Gatsby cast got announced. Like, it's been a lot of stuff. Shop cast got announced the other day. Like, it's been a very busy few weeks for theatre, which is very fun. It feels nice because it feels, but also it's getting a bit overwhelming, like everything coming out. Like, oh, this is now out. Oh, this is now out. It's like very overwhelming, but it's fine. But yeah, so just put a bit of white on my eyebrow. I wear like a, because I feel like the show is like I've got a blue thing to it, so I'm wearing a blue outfit. So I want to do blue eyeshadow, which is my favourite thing to do ever. I love when I have a themed eyeshadow. So I've got my one new makeup brush. Actually, I've got two new brushes. So it also kind of say the pits. Let me just get that off. I'll do one eye cover, then I'll do the rest of my makeup off actually. So let's just get rid of that. Right, so I'm going to go with I might do a two-paste look. So I'm going to go with my light blue. So I'm going to go with, let's do this, let's do that shade. I'm going to go with this shade from my Revolution Reloaded palette. I'm just loading up my brush, and I'm going to do it on the outside. I'm going to do this side, outside first. Like that. Actually, I'm going to do both eyes at the same time because then I don't have to keep switching out brushes. There we go. That eye load is so much better, so I need to do a bit more product on my brush. There we go. Ta-da! And now I'm going to get the other one and do this the show Colbat in my another Revolution palette. No, that's that, so I kind of like blended them in between. I find that blue doesn't really fall out, so go like that. It looks very cool. And I might add a bit of glitter to that. I'm going to use a bit of glitter. I'm going to go in with this brush, which is my old brush that I actually found. And I'm going to go in with a bit of blue glitter. I'm just going to put that on top. I might use my finger. So just put it on the side of the blue. Okay, so cool. I know I've got fallout underneath and my finger's currently a bit thin. I'll wash that. But yeah, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I will come back. This is my outfit of the day. Bum bum bum. I finished off my makeup. And now I got changed. I'm wearing these cargo trousers and this blue top. I'm going to do a TikTok transition. 2 actually. And do my TikToks. I'll see you guys after. Okay guys, it's been a while. I had breakfast. I've just been chilling and then I just decided on the route we're going because I'm the one in charge of this trip. So we're going to leave in a few minutes. I got a chicken patty burger, that, and an apple juice. My mum got what did you get? Chicken shawarma and a raspberry lemonade thingy. Okay guys, we're currently in the other palace. We went to Waterstone near us to get a book because we always want to do it every day now. I didn't bring one with me anyway. Yeah, we're currently sitting in there. The show that's normally here got cancelled today, both times, so it's very quite eerily quiet. Yeah, it's very fun. But yeah, we're just gonna wait. It's currently 2:30. It doesn't start till 4. We have plenty of time, but we're in the so that we have to rush. In the theatre. We're out of the theatre now. We're on the tube. Then we're going to get the train and then get the bus. I will put a sweet copy about Jane when we get home, but I will keep you updated. I might leave it on the train, but yeah. On the way home now, I won't talk long, but yeah, a good day. Yeah. And just like that, balabim, 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 you're home. I'm gonna get into my pajamas and go and watch the Masked Singer final or remove my makeup later. Samantha Barton as Pufferfish. I got it right. Yeah, and I'm very happy she won. I wanted her to win. Anyway, I'm gonna remove my makeup on camera and then video to sleep. I need to remove all my makeup and new skincare because it's been on all day and it's actually lasted really well. But yeah, I thought I'd talk about Jane. So Jane was genuinely so good. I'm not just saying this because it's new and like I don't want to be mean, and also because it's on the internet. But like, I cried a lot at the last song, and I cried so much. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but genuinely, it was amazing. Rowan, mwah. Lisa, mwah. Maya, mwah. Miracle, mwah. Gem, mwah. Literally everyone was so good. Like, genuinely. Like, they all had me in stitches at a point, like Toby's with the narration. Mwah. Literally, they all had me in stitches all the time, and it was so great to see Lisa again. Like, genuinely, I love Lisa to bits. If you're watching this, girl, I love you. I genuinely love her, and I love, like, I love all my theatre people so much, and genuinely had one of the best days. I mean, to be fair, it was really relaxing as well for London. I mean, we had the nightmare tube journey because there was like a light failure. I'm tired. I haven't drunk. I'm literally tired. But yeah, thank you for joining me again for London vlogs. They're back again, girls, guys, and non-binary pals. But yeah, I'm gonna watch Max and Harvey's podcast, and then some news. I'll see you guys in next week's video. I love you all. Mwah.